Today we are going to talk about dot and cross diagram. Okay, so what is dot and cross diagram? Okay, the dot and cross diagram is a model to show the outer valence electron of an atom. Okay, how many how atom bonds by gaining, losing, or sharing electron. Okay, which electron comes from each atom using dot and cross. Okay, dot and cross only identifies the original atom. Electrons are identical. Why are dot and cross diagrams are important? They show the transfer of electrons in ionic bonding and electron sharing in the covalent bonding. Understand why atom became stable. Rule of drawing are dot and cross. Draw only the outer shell electrons. Okay, do not draw the inner shells. Okay, use dot for one atom and cross for the other atom. We will do examples of that. For example, sodium we use dot, and for chlorine we use cross, or vice versa. Sh- show electron correctly. Ionic bonding, electrons are transferred. Covalent bonding, electrons are shared. Okay, include charges for ions if there are charge on the ions. For example, for Na, sodium have 11 electron, but it will lose its one electron. So it will has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It will lose electron and it will gain plus 1 charge. Whereas chlorine, this is the only time I'm making the all the shells. After that, I won't make all the shells. Okay, you don't have to make it, but for your understanding, I'm doing it. Okay, so please subscribe. And if you want to take online classes, please let me know. Why it has a minus 1 charge? Now I will draw crosses for chlorine. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 electron it will gain from sodium ion. Now we will do one more example of bond sharing, that is magnesium. Magnesium has 12 electron, whereas I will just make an outermost electron. Magnesium has 12 electrons, so it will lose its 2 electron. I am just now making outermost electrons. Okay, so in its second shell it has most number of electrons, that are 8. In third shell it has 2 electrons that it will lose. Okay, so it will have plus 2 sign. Whereas oxygen will have 6 electrons of its own. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 electrons from magnesium. So it will has a sign of minus 2. Okay. Now we are going to talk about covalent bonds. So in covalent bonds, what will happen? They will share electrons. Okay. They will share one pair of electron or maybe two pair of electron. For example, this chlorine has dot, so it will have 6 electron that are not making the bond, and seventh electron will make a bond, so it can has 8 electron. Both of them have 8 electron shared one pair of electron, so they can be stable. Now chlorine has one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electron that are shared with its nucleus, and same is for that thing. Okay, now for example we have CH4, that is called methane. CH4, that is called methane. So methane has one carbon that will make four bonds with hydrogen. I will make hydrogen a dot, and whereas one hydrogen, one hydrogen share one electron, one electron carbon share with one hydrogen, one with another, third with third hydrogen, and fourth with fourth hydrogen. Now you can see hydrogen has two electrons, shared electrons or electrons, so it is stable. Whereas carbon also has 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It also has 8 electrons shared. So it also has stable configuration. If you want to go deep, you can get over online class services.